Hi guys! Welcome to Aurora's Styling. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're the best. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created these beautiful rose embellishments using red organza fabric. For this design, I used 11 yards of red organza to make the roses. Start by cutting your organza into very long strips. Each one should be about 10 inches wide. Next, gently burn the edges of the organza strips to seal them and give a slightly curled effect. On the front layer and back layer of the dress, I used a fabric chalk to draw spiral patterns with wavy lines. This will serve as a guide for placing the organza. Then, fold each strip of organza in half and begin attaching the burnt edge to the surface of the dress. You can pin the organza down along the spiral lines you drew and then stitch it with a sewing machine. Or if you're comfortable, you can stitch the organza directly onto the fabric without pinning. Just follow the spiral lines as you sew. And that's all you need to do to create these stunning roses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Aurora's Styling for more beautiful sewing projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.